Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to check the activation status of your Windows 11 computer. So you have bought a new laptop or a used laptop and you want to see whether your Windows 11 is activated or not. So you can check it on your own. It's a very simple and straightforward process. You just need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And here in the settings, the top one will be system, which will be automatically by default selected. And at the right hand side, we have many options and we need to look for the activation here. So the moment I click here, we can see the activation state, whether it's active or whatever, it will be mentioned here. So it says Windows 11 Home Single Language. Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. So this is how you can check the status of your Windows 11 activation. You can get to know about it. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.